Welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at a method for making money online which is straightforward, it's simple, it's available in a lot of countries, and you don't need any money, skills or experience to get started with this. Now before the video I did a bit of research into this because I was going ahead and updating some old blog articles because we're always trialing things and sharing about different ways to make money online. So in this video I'll share with you the website, I'll share with you the pros of this, I'll share with you the cons, and then we'll just basically go over this process and I'll share with you some reviews and testimonials also. Okay, so let's jump onto the website and I'll show you how this works. So the website we're looking at today is this one over here, and it's called Human Attic, and it's a very straightforward process. Listen to a recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button, and earn real money. Sounds very simple, doesn't it? It is, and that's why the rate of pay isn't as good as you would think. But we'll come back to that. So we'll scroll down here. Have you ever, what's it say? Have you ever called a company and heard the operator say, this call is being recorded? Well, that's us. And how this works, look, we help our clients review their calls. We provide them with analytics reports. Valuable data helps improve customer service and sales. And then we come down here. Why should you join Human Attic? Freedom. That's a great answer, isn't it? So join them for freedom. Come further on the page, we've got more information on here. But look, essentially, this is free and it's simple. We'll never charge you anything, and they also pay weekly. And a few more things down here. Look, you don't have to make or receive phone calls. You don't have to, what's that? You don't have to have a live conversation with anyone, so it's a pre-recording. You don't need to be a third party during a live conversation, and you don't have to transcribe the conversation either. Straightforward and simple. 150,000 users around the world. Speaking of around the world, these are the countries where it's currently available, so you can go ahead and have a look and see if this is available in your country. Now, if we come back over here, I'll very quickly show you this. So, ready to get started. Now, although it's free, you do have to have a verified PayPal account because they pay via PayPal. And if we come down here, they've also got frequently asked questions. If you click that, it opens up into a new tab and it basically walks you through this. So what is it? How do I apply? Is it free? Am I required? So if I click on here, look, how do I apply? You just join basically. In order to join, you must have a valid and verified PayPal account. It says it proves who you are, etc. And if we go back, if we just click on, let's go back here, go to more questions, come down here, and again, payment, PayPal, this one, how much can I make, wasn't my account approved, etc. So you can go through and have a read of these questions down here. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you're not going to make hundreds of dollars a day or even a week, basically, because it's not a difficult process. Now, when I was doing a bit of research into this company and how long they've been around for 10 plus years. You can come over to Glassdoor and look at some different reviews on here. Currently they've got a 3.5 star rating out of 5, and you can scroll down and have a read of this. So look, they've got pros on here, so you can work at home anytime you want, and then you can scroll down here, they've got cons, low payout. And that seems to be the thing what many people say in terms of this. Look, let's come down here. Look, it's good for part-timers and genuine payment, low pay. Come down here. Look, very good company, payments are quick, only PayPal accepted for the payment method. And yeah, so you can go ahead and have a look at this. And the other thing I'll share with you is this over here. I was doing a bit of research and I found this article over here on this website. It's called Real Ways to Earn Money Online. And this is the conclusion to the article. So, however, it might be possible to make an extra $50 to $100 per week doing this, depending on how much time and effort you can put in. And you can see on here, all you need to do, I would still recommend having a few other things to earn money. Because look, this is not, well, I guess it is a little side hustle. But, this isn't going to be, breaking the bank, paying you lots of money. It's just something you can do when you've got a little bit of time. And you can dedicate a bit of time to this. What I would do is, if I was going to go down this route, is I would, sign up, do some of the calls, earn some money. Then I'd take that money and put it into something a lot more better. Whether it's, match betting if you're over here in the UK, whether it's affiliate marketing, YouTube, whatever. But you can go through and have a read of this article. There's lots in here. Fun work, pays weekly. And this is my personal experience of reviewing calls for the company. So you can go over to this website and have a read through of the article, and they'll walk you through all of this. But look, If you want different ways to make money online, you can go over to my website. There's a link to that down below. Click on courses and you can see here, free courses available. You can get my free, well, it's free. You can get my affiliate marketing course. If I scroll down here, you can also get my YouTube course, but it's not just my courses on here. If I scroll down here, we have got the affiliate bootcamp. This is an excellent course. If I scroll further on the page here, we have got this course here, which is learn how to become a proofreader. There's a free workshop. If I scroll further on the page, we've got this one here for learning how to flip products, and this is, again, it's a free workshop, so you can go ahead and check these out. There's a rental passive income on here, and there's a few more courses available. But look, overall, I know today's video is pretty short, but there's been a few requests for, different websites and different opportunities where you can earn money, for not doing a lot. But realistically, you're not going to earn a lot of money, but you can earn a bit at best. So look, I'll drop links to this courses page below. Feel free to go over to the website and check out some of these articles, because we've got lots of different ways for making money online. But that's today's video. That is how you can earn money for listening to audio. But do remember, you do have to have a verified PayPal account. So yeah, pretty straightforward. So thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow.